how to find pages you manage notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find pages you manage notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications, and here just click here this one, stages, and not stages, sorry, click this one, pages you manage, and here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.